go walking with the folks. Come on. We hear some cicadas back here. You can hear some now. Mommy's home. Oh, come on. Let's go walking. Let's go walking. Let's go walking. Come on. Let's go walking. Look at that white. Oh, look at a cicada on that rose there. It's not a shell either. That's a real cicada. See him? Let's go. Oh, wait a minute, Lucy. You just messed this up. Be lighting up here. There you go. Come on. Let's go potty. We're supposed to have a couple of days of dry time. I'm going to do some gardening. Look at the cicadas flying. I don't know if you can see it with the camera. You can hear the cicadas. Sound like a bunch of machinery. Good puppies. Ah, Barkley, she's pooping. Good puppies. Oh, here's that cicada flying here. Oh, it flew on me. Thank you, dear. Where'd it go? Oh, yeah, you stole my shirt. I just flew off. Yeah, they're going to get worse for the next week or two. Okay, doggies. Mommy came home from the store and they're in a hurry to get in the house. They're pulling me. And they're in a hurry to get in the house. They're going to make me run. I'm too tired to run, doggies. Thanks to folks for walking with us. Thank you, folks. We appreciate you. Later.